Assalamualaikum. My name Muhammad Buhari bin Seman. My metric number B0920100071. Me and my friends Muhammad Hanif Ashraf bin Amir, Muhammad Izzul Islam bin Muhammad Jahid, Muhammad Izzat Damiri bin Ahmad Rashidi, and the lastly Muhammad Nur Akmal Rizwan bin Abu Bakar will explain about the assignment. The assignment is about RDE element analysis. This method is more to observe the element inside a lubricant sample. This is our poster from my group to explain about the RDE element analysis. The objective for this assignment is to analyze element trace in lubricant sample, and the second objective is to analyze source of trace the elements.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Izzul Islam bin Muhammad Jahid. My metric number is B09201036. So today I will be presenting the methodology part of the poster. Okay, there are three sampling procedure commonly associated with engine oil sampling, including sampling a pressurized line before the system filter, using a drop tube in the dipstick tube, and procuring sample midstream from a drain port while draining the engine. Sampling a pressurized line on an engine is fundamentally equal to sampling a pressurized line on any industrial forced loop system, and is the preferred method for engine oil sampling. Using a pump, the lubricant is drawn from the sump and pushed through a filter, where it is then delivered to the required lubrication points. The goal is to install sampling hardware in the live zone at a turbulent point located past the pump and before the filter. When sampling is required, the hardware is utilized while the system is in operation, creating a representative, repeatable sample. Installing sampling hardware is beneficial to maintaining a closed system, whereby the sample can be extracted without opening the system and compromising the cleanliness from exterior elements. So that is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Azam bin Abu Bakar. It is number B0920100083, and I'm going to resume on the methodology part of this poster. So after the oil sample had been taken from the machine, we can classify them as new and also used for this experiment. New engine oil is for sample A, and used engine oil is for B, C, D, E, and F. So the oil sample were analyzed with using the Spectral 100 machine. So using this machine, there are several control parameters that exist to the machine. There is the electrode material, which is using a high purity carbon electrode. Other than that, is also the thinness material also is one of the control parameters, the surface roughness, and also the diameter. So after using the Spectral Q100 machine, the result that we get, we can analyze. So we can detect the element of particle in the solution by using the optical emission spectrometer, and also determination of element concentration with using the sophisticated software integrated with the Spectral Q100 machine. So to set up the Spectral 100 machine, the carbon disc need to be placed into the shaft using clean paper towel, and the rod is sharpened using a sharpener. The lever is pushed up using on the rod with clamp with the tip lightly touch the disc. The oil sample was shaken vigorously, and the sample were transferred to the sample stand and lifted onto the disc. The machine is closed, and the start button is pushed to start the process. So that's all for the methodology for this project. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Hanif Ashraf, and I will talk about result and discussion. So from the previous methodology, after we run the experiment and the procedure, we will get the result from the software. So for the result we get, we could see that there is some of the wear element such as chromium, iron, aluminium, copper, and lead has a slight increase of its uh, element count in the oil sample. Other than that, there is some contaminant into the oil, as we can see from the new oil to the compared to the used oil result. We could see that there is some contaminants such as cadmium, potassium, sodium, silicon, lithium, and manganese. The cadmium value is not increased, but and the other element has a significant increase of value. Additive in the oil such as calcium, magnesium, boron, zinc, and phosphorus and barium is increased in element count, except for the zinc element, which is it decreased from 900 element to 824 element from the new oil to the used oil.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzat Damiri bin Ahmad Rashidi. So for this oil and wear debris analysis assignment 1, I will be discussing about the conclusion of the case study, which is the RDE analysis. So for the RDE analysis, we can conclude that we can trace the element. That means by enable to trace the source of the elements which exist in the oil as a debris. And then we can know the limits of the element. We can know the limit of an element in lubricant before it causing harm to the oil itself. So basically that is the conclusion for this RDE analysis case study. Thank you.